Good morning and welcome to day 4 of our trip. Welcome back to my channel. We are just leaving from our Airbnb and we're leaving from Paris and going to Switzerland. I might cry. Switzerland has been on my bucket list for so long, and actually Europe only, but Switzerland, oh my god, guys! Especially after I watched Crash Landing in in last year, I think it was much higher on my list. But we are going during winter, so greenery wala part I think we might not get to see, but I'm very very excited. And अभी हमारी ट्रेन बन चुकी है of suitcases to take all our luggage down, and हम निकल रहे हैं. We have a train to catch, so let's go.
A little bit better care of yourself. It's worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Wow, पहली बार मुझे ठंडी फील करके अच्छा लग रहा है guys. It's much better here because our room is so heated at the moment and luggage उतारते we were all so garam. I really want to stay here for longer. And it continues to the train station. Non-stop train हमारी चल रही है अलग ही. I think this is Gare de Lyon, which I have bought in French Monopoly, so I'm very happy to be here. Exact 12:22 की ट्रेन थी. 12:22 पे we have left. We just made it in time. Good job, everyone. We have arrived in Switzerland. हमारी पूरी जिंदगी बैग्स ही कैरी करने में निकल चुकी है. यही हम कर रहे हैं कब से. नो मैं लॉक हो गई रूम से बाहर. मैम ये हमारा छोटा सा रूम फॉर 2 days. 1 एक्स्ट्रा बेड है हमारे गर्ल्स के पास, तो हम उसको हमारा सूटकेस बेड बनाने वाले हैं. हमारे 9 सूटकेस है टोटल. एंड दिस इज आवर वॉशरूम विच इज़ वेरी क्यूट. सो हमारा स्टे एवरी 2 days चेंज होने वाला है. वी आर हियर फॉर अ वीक आई थिंक, एंड एवरी 2 days हमारा स्टे चेंज होने वाला है. आई कांट इमेजिन ये हम बार बार सूट केसेस अप एंड डाउन करें, बिकॉज हम पूरी ट्रेन बना के चलते हैं एंड सूट केसेस हमारे 1000 हैं एंड वी हैव टू गेट अप एंड डाउन टू एवरी 2 days इन द ट्रेन. आई डोंट नो, बट बाथरूम इज सो क्यूट यार. लुक एट दिस चिंटू. I have lost track of days. This is probably our 5th day on the trip. 6th. I don't know. I'm not sure. But our first day, proper first day in Switzerland. No, our second day. I'm going down for breakfast. We just woke up and quickly got ready. Today is the day we are going skydiving, which sounds very exciting, but I'm really scared. And it was one of those things like if I want to do it or if I'll end up regretting later, and I should do it now only. So I've come for a quick breakfast because I don't think I can do this empty stomach, and I think everybody else has eaten already. I'm just gonna have a croissant and some bread. That's it.
A few inches later.
We are late for our flight. मौत हो गई है. Oh my god, this was so close. मैंने आशी को बोला कि मस्कारा मत लगा बिकॉज स्काई डाइविंग में बहुत पानी आने वाला है आंखों से. मैंने उसे अभी लगा दिया है, सो गुड लक टू यू. Finally, after 2 years, thank you. After 2 years बोल रही हूँ, 2 hours हमारी ट्रेन रुकी है and now we are going. very emotional thing happened while I was on the train. It's Isha's birthday today, my sister, and I'm not here. I mean, I'm not there with her. And उसका कैप्शन टाइप करते करते बहुत इमोशनल हो गई. एंड देन उसने वहाँ पे पढ़ लिया एंड उसने फिर मुझे अपना रिएक्शन भेजा रोते हुए और फिर मैं भी रोने लग गई ट्रेन पे. बट अब हम स्काई डाइव करने जा रहे हैं. I can't guys, मुझे बहुत मानव इकलौता है जिसको फियर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. वो पागल है.
ज़्यादा हाइट वो है. हाँ हाइट फेयर.
कहाँ से कुछ भी.
मेरे को ज़्यादा हाइट में था.
हम दोनों मर रहे हैं. हम दोनों इतना डरे हुए हैं क्योंकि हमारा वो था कि लाइफ का एक टाइम एक्सपीरियंस है.
हम लोगों ने बहुत टेंशन, हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें की. हम लोग समझ नहीं आ रहा पर जो भी है सही है. मजा आ रही है.
फ्री फॉल उसी का डर है यार. वो गिरने का मतलब ऐसे जंप करने वाला पार्ट है
बस धक्का मारो उसके बाद तो फिर
फरहान लेट इट गो. लेट्स सी जाके वहाँ पे क्या होगा. इस वक्त मैं वो राम 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 राम.
While you're up there, I'll be having some whiskey down here. Don't worry, I will take care of everything. Too many more. No, only one. Only once in here. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. I have a puffer jacket with me, but he said that it's very thick to jump in. I can't believe I'm saying the words jump. I'm going to jump out of a helicopter. It's insane. But the cute instructor gave me a jacket. And I also have the skydiving jumpsuit to wear on top of this. But I just saw some videos and I'm feeling slightly better because I've seen the videos and how it's happened. And this wall over here that has all messages from previous divers or people that have come here. They have messages of their experience, which is nice to read actually. थोड़ा तसल्ली मिल रही है मुझे कि I can do this. अभी वो पहले फीलिंग आ रही थी कि नहीं हो पाएगा बिल्कुल भी. But it's a experience I want to live. And मुझे अब थोड़ा फीलिंग आ रहा है कि I can do this. So let me show you the messages. This is nice. This is an entire wall of messages and almost everybody has almost नहीं. सभी ने बोला है कि it's a very nice experience for them. Even Ranveer Singh came here. This is Ranveer Singh's message. The only thing is if we would come in summer, it would be fully green, and that's the Switzerland I wanted to see. But of course, it's beautiful in the winters as well. So I don't know how that's going to go, but I'm excited because it's going to be thanda. That's why he told me to wear a jacket. Okay, let's go now. Tanzeel, Sanket, good luck. See you guys on the other side.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yeah!
Oh my god! कैसा था?
मेरा हार्ट बीट नहीं यार मत बोल.
बाहर आ रहा है.
नहीं बोला जा रहा मुझसे. मत बोलो अभी हमने जाना है. बट बहुत मजा आया. बहुत ज्यादा. मतलब जब हेलीकॉप्टर के उस पे ऐसे खड़ा हो ना पूरा ऊपर जो मेरी आवाज रुकी नहीं. ऊपर जो व्यू था ना ऐसे लग रहा था आगे क्लाउड्स का समुंदर है और मैं ऐसे खड़ा हूँ. स्माइल किया सीधा ड्रॉप ऑफ. जो ड्रॉप पे गया ना हार्ट. Oh fuck.
Don't scare them now.
No, he's talking good things. He's talking good things.
Manav is going after us. Wow, क्या लाइट है. Same.
Good luck guys. Good luck.
मैंने यही बोला कि तंजील से बात करूंगी आके. अगर वो ठीक है तो मैं चली जाऊंगी बिना टेंशन के. नहीं जाऊंगी मैं. मैं अकेले चली जाऊंगी.
कुणाल इधर दिखा. तू इधर दिखा.
I can't believe ये हो रहा है. मुझे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है. और गाइस आशी ने पहले तो संकेत और तंजील गए. आशी ने बोल दिया हम नेक्स्ट जा रहे हैं. मैं नहीं हूँ रेडी. एक्स्ट्रा रेडी है.
I will give you bharosa. Let it go, Imran. Let it all go.
Bye. Kill it. Have fun. Woo. Bye. 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 Keep the smiles on.
Hey, so you go skydiving or the helicopter behind you?
Yes, and we are so excited. It's our first time in a helicopter, first time in Switzerland, first time in skydiving, and it's been on both of our bucket lists since forever now.
To come to Switzerland,
We couldn't be happier. I think super excited, super
super
pumped up.
excited. I'm very scared also, but it's fine.
Okay, perfect. Let's go. High five. Then you can follow me this way. Yes, perfect.
Well done.
Well done, well done, well done. कैसा रहा? कैसा रहा? Congratulations. Yes, you did very good.
I have landed. I can't believe this, but this was so fun. Such an amazing experience. Like, I was scared of the fall the most, and when we did that, it felt like a roller coaster, like when you go down the roller coaster. And then I opened my eyes and it was so beautiful because there's snow everywhere and we could see all the houses and it was so pretty, guys. I'm honestly very proud that all of us have done this. We had such a fun experience, and अभी लैंड करते हुए मेरे को नीचे उसने वो पकड़ा दिया था, the handle thing. He's like, you try to give it a direction, and then that's what I did, and it was I'm so happy. This was honestly a very magical experience. Like, you can see my makeup, this chashme ka wo aa gaya hai, but my makeup is also frozen because it's so cold up there. My eyes were watering. That's why I didn't wear mascara also, because my eyes water a lot. I had my eyes watering and I was like, oh my god. I couldn't keep my eyes open also sometimes because it was so windy up there. But amazing. That's Arsh and Manav going for their dive. Ashi and I had gone together, and I told Ashi to jump first because I was scared to do it first. But I actually saw Ashi go like this, like tilting, falling out of the helicopter, and I was like, fuck. But it's so amazing. I'm so happy that we did this. But this is a celebratory.
Cook.
Celebratory thing. Cheers, everyone.
आशी पकड़ कुछ तो कोल्ड ड्रिंक.
आशी फिस्ट कर ले.
पानी ले ले, पानी ले ले.
Bye.
पानी.
Let's do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.